Alright guys, so today is probably my final unboxing for a while, but this is something very, very exclusive. So, let's go ahead and get right into it. I might need scissors for this, and I don't have any, so I'll have to find some. But, this is going to be quite the amazing thing to have, and I am very excited. So, I'm trying to get into it, and I am failing successfully. And this packing tape is... okay. Oh man. Alright. Here it is. Oh wow. Okay. So this is the Midland WR-100 version 2, and it's new in box. And it's a clamshell, and they did not make very many of these, as far as I'm aware. So this is very rare. And I don't have scissors, so yeah, but look at that warning watch statement. So I am going to track down some scissors real quick. Alright, so I found some scissors. So I am going to attempt to open this very carefully, while also attempting to preserve the packaging as much as possible, which is not working out so well. Hold on. There we go. I really hate clamshell. I think it's so stupid. Like the stuff they used in the later years on like the HH and the, I don't know, V3s I think also used the same packing type, with just like the, I guess what are they, buttons? Not really? Don't know what to call them. But that's my personal favorite. Type of packaging. I'm trying not to hurt this package thingy, the thing on the inside, that is. These scissors are also garbage, so it doesn't really help. Alright, well, there's that. I'm done messing with that package. Just too much for me to deal with right now. Alright, so here it is itself. Ooh, it feels so fresh. Oh, the antenna. Feels amazing. Alright, so we're going to set that aside. Here's the product guide with this exclusive WR-100 which no one has. So there it is again right there. Trying to get this focus in. So yeah, I'm gonna scan this into my computer and upload this. Here's the manual. And power adapter. So this is apparently a newer version 2, I think. It has the newer power adapter style. So here it is. Put that over there. I'm gonna keep that though. Bring you guys in a little bit closer. So we're gonna peel it. It's right here. Screen discoloration is normal. There's that. I'm keeping that fresh. Alright. So we got some batteries out of the 167 because it takes too many batteries, and I don't currently have like any, and I just dropped the battery. That's not good. Hold on. Oh, there it is. Alright. One battery in. Another battery in. Here it goes. First boot up. Version 2. Alright. Hey, I'm okay with it being version 2. Didn't expect it to be a version 1 anyway. Alright. Now we're going to do an in-depth setup, which is kind of hard to do with WR-100s, but I'm going to make it work. Alright. So, we're going to go time. It is currently 11:45 p.m. Alert type, voice, same set, any.
Nuts.
Channel 4.
Partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 1 to 3 feet. Tuesday, in the upper Midland. And in March. Thanks for listening to NOAA Weather Radio Station WR-100 in Plainwell.
Alright. Alarm? Oh no. Done. Alright.
Conditions around the area at 11 p.m. at Kalamazoo.
There you go, guys. A brand new inbox, Midland WR-100 version 2. So, actually we're going to do a little bit of a comparison. So let me grab my version 3. So, here they are side by side. Obviously, the main difference is the public alert logo, but also statement light instead of advisory in the menu. Time, alarm, channel, same set, alert type, time, alert test, light, time. So you can't change the light on the version 2. So that's just one little difference. So yeah, that's about it.
Winds were east at 6 knots and the temp.
So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I certainly did. This is going to be very, very special, and I will definitely not lose this one. So yeah, there's that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.